Buenos dias, good morning. Soy John Iberg, aka Juanito Iberg, aka Biker John, my World Upon Wheel Retired World Bike Tour. Today is Sunday, the 16th of January, 2022, and what I'm showing now is what I'm planning on when I do my self-contained bike touring, starting hopefully tomorrow morning. If not tomorrow morning, it'll start Tuesday, definitely. But this is the gear that I'll be taking. Let me point out, I'll use my walking stick, my cane, to help point things out here. So, my panniers, rear panniers. This is the front pannier, and the other front pannier, you can see where I've put fiberglass packing and on it, and then painted it yellow. Of course, my Navy hat, lock and cable, wonderful portable floor pump that I've converted into a portable pump, various bike tools that I'll take this, and it'll be in this blue bag here that I have to have when I'm out there on the road. This is a Z-Rest inside a plastic bag. This is some homemade lubricant learned from Oz Cycles, and it goes with the waxing. This is a new chain that's been waxed, following the directions on Oz Cycle on YouTube. Of course, jacket. Well, that's my sweatshirt. My dress shirt, dress pants, biking pants or shorts, biking shorts that have the inseam in them. Merino wool blend, sleep shirt, rain suit, performance rain suit, Gore-Tex rain suit, tops and bottoms. Of course, the new normal is the KN95 or N95 mask that we have to wear when we go inside indoors, like eating, which I'll do a lot of, and motels. 2 new tires. The 700C for the front, and then the inside one is a 26 by 1.5 for the E-wheel rear. Of course, my skid lid, whistle, halo. It's going to keep the sun off my thinning hair on top and back of my neck. Gloves. In here is my wool blanket. This is cocoon style, and that'll go inside of my sleeping bag. Also essential are these recharging units that I have to have. I have 3 batteries on my e-bike, my cruise bike, and so I have to have 3 chargers, and then a heavy duty cord that I can plug in, which is also memorial to my parents, who had a diesel in the early 80s, I guess, one of the first diesels made by Oldsmobile for passengers that came out, and so they would have to not recharge, but they had to keep the engine block and oil pan warm at night. They're in Missouri. Missouri gets awfully cold in during the winters. This is a mosquito net, and if you're going to have a mosquito net, I mean, I must be planning on there being some mosquitoes, because even though it is January of 2022 when I'm leaving, and it generally is too cold for mosquitoes, it will warm up, because I plan to be at my turnaround point, which is Brooklyn, New York, by early March, and I'm going to go along the coast, so it's going to be warm. There are going to be plenty of mosquitoes. Of course, a little bit of deodorant for when I have to go into more sociable situations. Absolutely. Sunblock, gotta have that. All my electronic stuff here, that's an Anchor rechargeable unit. So I can recharge her, and then I've got the Travelocity thing where I've got 4 plugs where I can plug in my electronics. Gotta have toilet paper. Let's see, my toilet kit, I guess you call it, and then my route, and then lots of my personal cards, because I do expect I'll be talking with lots of people, discussing with them the virtues of e-bicycling, which is ironic because several years ago I used to hate e-bikes. I thought they were cheating on the bicycling experience until I ended up needing it myself. So of course I think they're great now. And of course I think the cruise bike is probably the best kind of bicycle one can get for having the recumbent, and then adding an ebikekit.com, adding I added 26 by 1.5 e-wheel, tremendous. So it's the only way I can pedal now. My route, I was doing the perimeter, the southern perimeter and the eastern perimeter, but that my route has changed because I'm leaving so much later than I had anticipated. Of course, I do take a few notes. Got to have a few clothes. You can see I've got a down vest, an old one, some more cycling shorts, cycling shirts, and a little bit of cold weather gear because it can be cool, and that rain jacket's essential. The rain suit's essential for when I'm out there cycling and it's cool. Cycle shoes. I have cycle sandals, but when I'm leaving in the middle of winter here, and sandals will be unacceptable. And so that's the essence of everything that I'm going to take, and it comes out to about it totally, with including me, with the bike and everything, will be about 370 pounds, 163 kilos. So that is when you see me out there, and you will see me because I have great visibility, both daytime and nighttime. Please honk at me. I'll wave back for sure. You'll be very aggravated if you're behind me because I'm a bicycle. I don't go very fast. I'm not going to go that fast. If you're behind me, you're going to be very aggravated with me, but not for too long because I don't want to hold you up any longer than you have to be held up. But I do follow the rules of the road, and I expect you to follow the rules of the road. So that's my bike for when I bike tour. This is what I will have when I am touring. That's what it's all about, and bike touring is what I am all about. Soy John Iberg, aka Juanito Iberg, aka Biker John, my world upon wheels. Que tenga buen día, have a great day. Adios, see you out there on the road.